Hey guys, I just wanted to show you what a game changer airbrushing with a paint tent can be. So this is my little paint tent, and what you have here is my setup for painting, and behind it a filter that you can get at Walmart in the clearance section, or Salvation Army, or Goodwill, or thrift stores, or garage sales, because it doesn't matter what size, whatever one's available for cheap, right? And there's a fan. Get that at a garage sale or a thrift store or whatever. And you can see behind the tent how it's mesh open. So you just take this filter and you stick it right there, and as you work, the overspray gets sucked into that filter instead of just going out into your environment or you breathing it in. And then it keeps your environment clean and keeps your air cleaner as well. And it's not powerful enough to affect your paint job, but it is powerful enough to collect all the overspray. As you can see, the walls of my tent are clean. But look at this filter, it's disgusting. And then what I do is I just blow my brush out when I'm cleaning it and whatnot on some blue shop cloth that's just rested over a piece of white foam core from like the Dollar Tree or Walmart. Speaking of Walmart, you can get the blue shop cloth right here, which is what I use, also at Walmart. I'll leave the links to all that stuff in the description. But if you do airbrushing, you should definitely be using a paint tent.